Hakan rutrik urempang arja arpulai ke jela Meghalaya hakasien ke beningkong do kalalej benta haga Canoe Slalom ke Jingiakhun Canoe benta jong ke 5th Kilo India Youth Games kabla long Maheshwar Madhya Pradesh. Hagani ke Jingiakhun usamla Pynshngain korba khat prasnem kerta Ula Ioh ke Takma Rupa Ioh ke nam ke burom ya ke jela Meghalaya. Usamla Pynshngain ude bawan na ke Shnong lau berwa kabahab Haribhoi district. Yo Pynshngain korba la IGhi kai do coach no Australia but la hikai yo hakawa umtro.
And we're very happy to announce that our peddler here got the silver medal. Will you introduce yourself to them? What's your name?
My name is Pynshngain Gurba.
My name is My name is Canoe.
So he's from Lauberoa in Riboy, and Dutchkim is from Umtam village, which is nearby. And they train on Umtru River down there. And we were very happy to announce that Lung has got that silver medal in a very tough competition. It was actually on the Narmada River, 5th and 6th of February. At a place called Maheshwar, just outside of Indore, on the Whitewater Rapids. It was a very tough course and some very hard competition, but by God's grace, he was able to get second place, get the silver medal for this state. So it's something we're very proud of, and we are looking for a good future for this sport here in the state and for good development. We'd really like to thank those who have supported us, and especially Dr. Vijay Kumar, AIS Commissioner for Department of Sports and Tourism, who has been really behind us all and made this trip possible, and we have to really give him a lot of credit for it, for his support.
Sports kadang dari kabatmai dalam ba social media nga terpat mabakin mi syakman. Sehingga sorkar kampat shania fully ya kanika sports namar kaba kadang dai kaba thamai bat bon naki kim patip ya kanika sports te lengba ka jing job jong iwe naki khna jongi la se kan ai kata ka jing sngan ya ki we pat bat kumju nga karpat mai ki khna bakin mi shakmat banwan ni ai bon naki ki training la se hadu mentang im pat shim ya ta ka by training ngidang ai free ki tiaro ni ai pendon kam free ki teba khamtam ki khna samla ki bamdon kalat ban pule te ngi karpat kinwan shakmat kinwan ban shim ya kane galat ka kabu ka bangi ai poshnong te ngi shem ma ki khna bun ba kiwan ki de ki khna ki bawan ka yeng ka sam ka baduk te ladangi khot training ya ki bun ki bertiai kata ka jing bala jung ki kim yo kalat no ki namar ngidon kam bun kan ta ha ban training ha ban hikai ban practice te ki yo la tang shipang te watla Pynshngain yu de khna school wahabbe ka jing pule te yo shipang arpang por ban un practice te watla kataru la le stom hakini ki sausnem la practice but ula wara at least something for the states te ka long ka jing sung sarong dengan karpat mak barit ya ka sarkar le sela ban yarap kum ken just stipend ai bakan penslur ya kiwe pat ki khna le sa ki bawan khamtam na ka yeng ka baduk mar ba sen ba kilawan ban practice ki do ya ka jing tre ka jing bala jong ki le se yo le ki dei maki ki ba bala mo hayeng te kimla ban ai full time ya ka ne ka practice ya ka ne ka training te sakawai ro nga karpan mo ka kiwe ki khna ki ba shim banta ha ka ne ka Khelo India na ka we ka states ki yo shibun ha ka jingiram kum banta ki ba job ki yo cash mo shibun ban penslur ya ki tele senga karpat ya ka sarkar jongiro bakan le ai na ka banta jong Pynshngain balawan ra kata ka nam job ban kum ka ban penslur le ne ban motivate ya u bat kum jo ya ki wairo bakin wan shakmat ban shimbanta ka ne ka jingle kai